Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to install your outside recess classic roller blind. First, we'll mark up for our brackets. When we measured for the classic roller, we added 150mm to our recess width, so we're going to measure 75mm out and up from each recess corner. We're doing our idle end bracket on the left hand side, as the control end of the blind is on the right. Hold the top corner of the bracket against your 75mm mark. If you're drilling and using raw plugs, then mark your drill holes with a pencil. If not, then tap the screws straight into the wall to secure. Lastly, put your bracket cover over the top. Now do the same for the control end bracket. Now we can install the blind. Insert the plunge end into the idle end bracket and then lift the control end into the bracket on the opposite side. Then we can check the operation of the blind. Now we can do the same for our motorised blind too. Lift and install the roller blind into the brackets once again. And you can now operate the blind using your new one-touch remote. And that's how to install your manual and motorised classic roller blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.